Okay, good morning. I'm Professor Naven Chetty. I'm the College Dean of Teaching and Learning for the College of Agriculture, Engineering and Science, and it's a pleasure to welcome the Department of Education together with the KwaZulu-Natal Museum to our winter school. Our winter school is a showcase event for the college in which our high school learners can come to the university and get a first-hand experience of what it's like to be in a certain scientific field. This gives them the opportunity to interact with academics, to undertake experiments, and to get a feel for university life. Many of our learners are unsure about what fields they wish to study in, and this is an opportunity for them to get more information, to interact at first-hand level with somebody who's experienced, to tell them what exactly happens in, for example, if you want to be a physicist, what does a physicist do? How do they go about getting into a degree at university? And then more especially to enlighten them about what career options are available to them post a degree. A lot of misinformation exists currently with learners who get information from second-hand sources about what type of opportunities exist, what they need to do in able to study at university, etc. This event is one of those events that helps them get and demystify the requirements for entry and to allow them the opportunity to interact with others to gain experience in the scientific areas. I think that's the basic idea behind our school, our winter school.